What's up, everybody? It's your boy C to the Z to the X, Crizzex here again, doing another dumbass challenge. Now, if you saw my most latest one, the cinnamon one, it was actually pretty freaking good. So, I don't know. Hopefully today we'll get a little bit of a better result, perhaps. And because today we got McCormick Italian herb seasoning grinder. So, I imagine this is used on a lot of fucking dishes that I eat, but I don't pay attention because I'm fucking stupid. I don't care, I'll fucking say it, bro. I'm high every fucking time I do this. I don't fucking care. So, fucking get the damn thing off! Fuck this. There we go. I'm not gonna do all of it, but I'm gonna try to get to at least 5 rolls. No promises! Say a prayer. Not quite the reaction we were hoping for. It's like a spicy pizza that I once ate. Either that or it's like hot peppers. So, surprisingly, this one is actually a win today. So, yeah. I don't know if this isn't gonna be consistent, mind you. What else can I say? I mean, I got a long way to go here, but, that was the, Crizzex Italian Grinder Challenge, so, thank you all so much for watching, and, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below, and as always, please be sure to subscribe if you really did like it. Thank you all so much for watching. You guys have been an awesome audience. See y'all next time. Peace. Crizzex out.